Today, I would like to introduce a set of free open source Python packages which allows you to actually extract text from the PDF file. I'll just give some quick testing and comparison. Let's start. There is a list of all the Python packages we are going to test today. And then let's go into the notebook. Okay, open our notebook. So the first Python package we're going to test is called the PYMU PDF. It's just single line to install it, straightforward. So as we can say, the PYMU PDF is an enhanced Python binding and abstraction for MU PDF, which is a lightweight PDF, XPS, OPENXPS, CBZ, EPUB and FB2 eBooks format, and even image files, view renderer, and the editing toolkit. So it can access both document file formats with all these extensions like the PDF, XPS, FB2, EPUB, and also can access about 10 popular image files with the extensions like the PNG, JPGET, BMP, TIFF, and so on. So its usage actually is for all the supported file types, including the image files. You can use it to decrypt the document, and also you can access the metadata info, links and bookmarks. Also, you can render the pages in the REST format or the vector format. Also, you can search for text in the PDF file, and also extract the text and images, which is our current the focus of the study today. Also, you can convert to other file formats such as PDF, XML, HTML, JSON, and so on. And also, you can even do the OCR, optical character recognition, if another Python package testRect is installed. Okay. Also, in terms of like the PDF, the file editing abilities, it has many features, such like the PDF file can be created, joined, or spin it up by using this tool. Also, the pages within the PDF file can be inserted, deleted, rearranged, or modified in many ways. Okay. So it can also even use as like image converter. So it can read the input file in multiple formats and also produce an output image file in the PNG and the Adobe PostScript, Adobe the Photoshop formats, and so on. And also interfacing with the pillow for image input output is also quite easy. Now let's have some tests. So first of all, I define some timer class to actually calculate the latency for extracting the text from the file using the different Python tools. So after done that, define some utility function actually to extract the text with the PYMU PDF. Okay, let's actually running some like the samples. Here I'm going to run in some sample called the FAQ, the PDF. So here is actually the samples I downloaded from the internet. It's about like Microsoft Business Center custom FAQ. Okay, it's quite simple. It's just like 3 pages with some question and answers. And so let's actually see, how the tools is going to handle such kind of PDF file. Okay. So you can see after you run it, it's just only take like 0.05 seconds. So on my the laptop to extract this PDF file text. So all the information actually is quite well being extracted. Okay. So this is quite nice. The second Python tool I'm going to using is called the PyPD Film tool. It also just like install it within single line of code, and it is a Python 3 binding to the PD film. So a powerful and the liberal licensed is actually free, to use library for the PDF rendering, inspection, manipulation, and creation. Okay, the usage is also like the quite enriched. It can render the single or multiple PDF pages. It can also extract and search the text from a PDF file. It can create a new PDF with an empty page. Also include a JPEG, the image into a PDF file. Also the save the PDF file to the local drive. So it's also quite useful, have lots of functions. Here we just focus on the text extraction feature of these tools. Okay, so let's actually to define another utility function, extract text with the PYPD film tool. Okay, then after done that, we actually use it to extract the same text from the same sample PDF file faq.pdf. So after that, you can see it extracts the not only text but also some metadata such like the PDF version and the number of the pages. It only takes 0.02 seconds. It's very fast. Okay, so all the text in the 3 pages of the short PDF file has been to extract it. It's very useful. Okay, the third tool we're going to using is called TIFF. So it's also very straightforward to install it, and it has its repo. So TIFF actually is it's a Python binding to the Apache TIFF, the service, allowing the TIFF to be called natively in the Python community. So where the Apache TIFF toolkit actually detects and extracts the metadata and text from over 1,000 different file types, including the PPT, XLS, and PDF. Okay, so look like a very powerful tool again. So however, so you need to actually to make sure you have a Java runtime installed, because the TIFF is written in Java. Okay, so the usage, so you can use TIFF to extract the text and metadata out of any document in a large number of the file formats and types as mentioned above. Okay, so again, let's actually define this utility function, extract text with TIFF. After we've done that, running the same the extracting procedure for the same sample file, you can see a lot of the metadata has been extracted. Also, it's also very fast, only takes 0.06 seconds. Okay, so the metadata such like the PDF version, PDF producer, Microsoft, the PDF, the created data and the modified data, and so on. Also language and the coding has been indicated. Okay, so it's quite the rich the metadata has been displayed. Besides that, it also can nicely extract all the text from the PDF file. You can see all this kind of text has been extracted. Very nice. Okay, the fourth tool we're actually going to test is called the PYPDF. So it's also straightforward to install, and it is a free and open source pure Python PDF library. So different from the above 3 Python packages, which are not the pure, but this is a pure Python. Okay, so you can use in the PYPDF to retrieve text and metadata from the PDF files. You can also spin it, merge, crop, and transform the pages of the PDF file. It can also add the custom data, viewing options, and password to the PDF files. So it's also a very nice open source free tool to use. So let's start, define another utility function, extract text with the PYPDF. Then you can nicely extract all the data from the PDF sample file. You can see here only take a little bit longer, 0.08 seconds. Okay, then you can extract the metadata such like a number of the pages and also all this kind of the text. Okay, nice. Okay, there is also the many other tools such like the PDF to text, PDF Miner, PDF Plumber, and Bob. So they also have their GitHub repo respectively. So as we see, there is another PDF, the benchmark repo. Just compare, all these kind of the tools. So the author of this repo actually using the 14 different PDF files with different size and the number of pages to test and do some like-for-like comparison. As you can see, for all these tools like the PYMU PDF and the PDF PYPD film 2, they're actually using like the the Apache 0 license, 2.0 license, which is available for the commercial use. So you can just use it for the commercial purpose. That is a very good use case. Also, TIFF is actually the Apache 2.0 license. It can also be used for commercial purpose. So yeah, that is good. So you can see this is indicating like the speed comparison between different Python PDF extraction tools. This is also like the quality of the text extracted using different tools. As we see, the top 3, top 4 is look is much better than the others at the bottom. Same as like the speed. Okay, so going back to our notebook. So in summary, you can see like the other PDF extraction tools are also available. You can have some try, although their accuracy and the latency speed is not like as good as the top 4 above. Also, in terms of the text extraction accuracy, the top 4, the PYMU-PDF, PYPD film, Ticker, and the PYPDF are very close. They are actually excellent, to produce some like high quality text extraction. Okay, so in terms of like the text extraction, the speed, the top 3, PYMU-PDF, PYPD film 2, and the Ticker actually are the best. The PYPDF, is a little bit slower, but it's still a bit, I think, accessible. So it's also much better than others. So my recommendation is just like have a try for this top 3, top 4 open free source PDF and Python packages extraction tools. So that could be very useful for any use cases. Okay, hopefully you learned something today, and let's talk in next time. Bye bye.